What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Rim Swap Wednesday. Today I want to be working on this one. It just came out not too long ago, the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss, and this one's out of the J case. So I got my rims from AliExpress, and the ones I was looking at were the silver one, which I think will look pretty good. I think the bronze will look really good. The black always looks good. And I had put the off-road tires on these rims. These are like little anodized colors. So I'm thinking about that, or even going with these chrome ones with the off-road tires. So I'm still kind of debating on which rims to go with. But for right now, let's just go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Undo the bottom of it and see where we go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. We don't need that. And I'm just showing you real quick what the different colors would look like on the truck. So let's put it back together and see which one looks best. Oh man, I think that bronze is gonna be the winner. I don't know, those anodized did look pretty good. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh, I just noticed right here, I'm gonna have to deburr that. I think the anodized looks pretty good. I like how they're so busy with all the liveries, and then with the white walls, the white letter. I think it looks good.